Worldwide Electric offers a range of variable frequency drive panels configured to meet your specific requirements. They are ideal for a wide range of industries and applications when all you need is a defined, packaged solution ready to install and run. You can select a NEMA 12 panel for indoor industrial applications or a heavy-duty NEMA 3R enclosure to offer protection against the most demanding outdoor environments. Our NEMA 3R Vortex enclosure includes a tunnel design that provides superior cooling and protection when environments become hot and dirty. Each enclosure offers lockout, tagout security, and easy handling. Packages are available from 1 to 800 horsepower. They are controlled by either a WorldDrive or Siemens VFD, which are recognized for their flexibility and industry-leading feature sets. In-stock packages with select horsepowers and high-quality components are available in our warehouses nationwide. When you have an urgent need, we can get you up and running again quickly. We've selected standard features for operation and configuration for every package, plus a wide selection of controls, communications options, and application components can be added with short lead times, or our customers can fully customize a build to meet their specific requirements. All worldwide motor control packaged systems are built to exacting standards at our world-class UL 508A certified facility in Hernando, Mississippi. They are UL compliant, assembled, tested, and ready for operation before shipment. And we back every panel with free technical support. Visit worldwideelectric.com or talk to your local distributor about all electric motors, gear reducers, generators, and control solutions from Worldwide Electric.